Okay, sir. My question to you is why did you come to a world without weight?
Yeah, I'll tell you about my story quick way. Um, a month ago, I was diagnosed with diabetes, and the accumulative, measurement was around 12.7. I had no idea what did it mean at that time, but they told me the normal is that it should not go above 6. So 12.7 was really very high. How I came to know about diabetes is because I kept going to the toilet during the nights 3 to 4 times. I started not seeing while driving, things were blaring. And all of a sudden I came to know about this program, and actually some of my doctors, they advised me that the way to reverse diabetes is by exercising and building muscles. I knew that I had a lot of kgs to lose from my weight because I should be at around 80 kg and I was around 100 kg. So that was something that I should have worked on, but several times, I tried to exercise, but it failed. And when I came to know about this program, I said, I think this is the right opportunity for me to take the chance and go and lose my weight and go back to exercising and see what will happen in regards to diabetes.
Great. So my second question to you is how was your experience in this program? What did you gain? What did you like?
Okay, to be frank, initially 2 weeks for me when I was doing my balancing and weighing for the program, 2 weeks I said, what I'm gonna do 2 weeks, just away from the family, away from work, just exercising, just having one meal a day. I thought it's gonna be boring. I thought it's gonna be challenging. But when I started day after day, I started to love the program because I started feeling good having one meal a day. I started feeling stronger by doing the walking and by doing the exercises, going to the gym. And the most important thing is that when I started seeing that my results, when I measured diabetes every day, they were improving. Day after day, they were improving. Then I took the decision to stop the medicine to see, is it going to work or not? I stopped the medicines completely. And whenever I do the measurement, it doesn't go above 110. So from day 2, when I started with this program, until now, this is the 12th day, I haven't used any medicine and my diabetes level is 100% accurate.
Thank you. My last question to you. One of the things that A World Without Weight prides itself is about brotherhood. Did you feel that you're part of a community of men similar to you? What did you gain from a brotherhood point of view?
Absolutely. I think since most of the people coming to this program, they come looking for the same goal or after the same goal. It's something that everybody is sharing. Everybody is sharing their experience as well. Everybody is not competing, I would say, but it's exciting for everybody, to discuss, to talk, to put some efforts. And at the end of the day, you are recording what you're doing. You're recording your steps, you're recording your weight, and when you see improvement, so everybody starts talking about the achievements they have done. So I found it really interesting, and I found it that you feel yourself like you are among a community, which is that they are all here for the same goal.
Fantastic. My last question to you. What are you going to do when you go back? What did you learn here that you're going to take back with you?
Yeah, the lesson learned is that I will continue one meal a day, okay? And initially I will start with 10,000 steps a day. This is a must, this is my goal when I go back. And definitely I'll keep also measuring, I said, I have a diabetes to take care of, so I'll be measuring, I'll be checking with my doctors, but I will continue on the same program, at least one meal a day, 10,000 steps a day.
Fantastic. Welcome to the brotherhood.